Hi, in this video we will continue with the same problem. In the previous video I showed you how to compute using regression calculations, how to compute the trend equation for the small time series that we had. Now I'm going to show you how the business analyst, Texas Instrument Business Analyst 2 Plus calculator, which is a recommended course calculator, can be used, and using its internal regression function, we will solve the same problem. When you turn on the calculator, you must go to the data entry mode, which if you notice above key 7, it says data. Because it's written above the key, we need to use the second function key to get to it. When I click second function and 7, you will see that I already have some data which has been locked in. So I need to clear history. So I go to second function and I click the clear button, and notice that above it it says clear work. So this is clear past work, anything that had been locked in from previous analysis. So if I click this, now you will notice that the display goes to 0. I'm ready now to enter the first x variable, which is 1. So I will click 1 to lock it in, enter, then arrow down to enter the first y variable value, which is 450. Lock it with enter, arrow down. x2 is the second value for x variable. In this problem, it's actually 2. Enter, down. y2 is 495. Enter, down. y3 is 3. Enter, down. X3 is 3, that's right. Y4 is Y3 is 518. Enter, down. X4 is 4. Enter, down. Y4 is 563. Enter, down. 5 is X5. Enter, down. And 584, enter, down, is our last y value. We don't have 6 values in x, therefore at this point I'm done entering data. Now I go to the stats function, or do you see that above key 8 it says stat? So second function stat, and at this point, your calculator should bring you to this linear regression function, but if it doesn't, click on second function and then enter, and it takes you through all the functions that the calculator has like natural log, second function enter exponential, second function enter power, second function enter one variable, and second function enter linear, which is a linear regression between x and y. So once you're in this mode, you can click down and go through all the different results. N, or number of observations in this problem, are 5. Average x is given, sample standard deviation for x, population standard deviation for x, average y, standard deviations are given. A is the slope for the line. This calculator represents the slope with the letter A. And then we have the letter B, which is A is the point of intercept for this calculator, and B is the slope for the line. R is the correlation coefficient, which we computed before. And it gives you summation of x, summation of x squareds, The 2160, remember, was the summation of y. Summation of y squared, we didn't use it, but it gives it. And the summation of x times y was 8,166, which we also used in our calculations. So that's how you can use the calculator and the built-in function to compute trend or regression. You could use exactly the same thing even if the x values were not time values. Let's say that these x values could have been number of salespeople, for example, and they would not be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It would be different number of salespeople in different locations, and then sales could be, or y could be the sales at any of those locations. So you could still run regression analysis using this calculator, simple regression analysis. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.